Applications of trigonometry, exercise 12.2, third question. A statue stands on a top of a tree. Stands on a top of a 2 meter tall pedestal 2 meter tall pedestal from a point on the ground the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Find the height of the statue. Okay, so coming to the question, a statue stands on the top of a 2 meter tall pedestal. First, statue is standing upon the pedestal. First I am taking pedestal A, B. A, B is the pedestal. Statue is standing on the pedestal. B, C is the statue, length of the statue, height of the statue. B, C is the height of the statue. Next, from a point on the ground, let us consider the point P. This point P on the ground, this is horizontal line. So, the angle of elevation of statue is 60 degrees. This is equal to 60 degrees. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. So, if we observe the pedestal, the angle this is equal to 45. So, total this angle 60 degrees, this angle 45 degrees. What is the height of the statue? We need to find out the height of BC. Okay, now AB is the pedestal, BC is the statue. The angle made by the statue to the point on the ground is 60 degrees. With the pedestal, if we observe the pedestal, the angle is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, then we need to find BC. So, first, let us consider, okay, any information is given. The height of the statue is stand at top of 2 meter tall pedestal. This is 2 meters. So, height of the pedestal is given, height of the statue is required. So, let us consider the distance between the foot of the pedestal and point of observation is equal to x and height of the statue is equal to h. We need to find h value. Okay. So, solution, what it is given I want to write. Let AB, BC are heights of pedestal and statue respectively. So, AB is the height of the pedestal, BC is the height of the pedestal. Next, so the angles of elevations from a point to statue and pedestal are 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Next, let AP equal to X and BC equal to H. I am taking this is X, this is H. Given AB equal to 2, angle APB equal to 45, angle APC equal to 60 degrees. So these values are given. Okay. Now I want to take this smaller triangle, smaller right angle triangle first. From right triangle APB, PAB. So right triangle PAB. So this is opposite, this is adjacent. Tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 45 equal to opposite AB, adjacent AP. So tan 45 equal to what? 1 equal to AB 2. AP X, cross multiply X equal to 2. X equal to 2 meters. The distance from foot of the pedestal and observer is equal to. Next, from right triangle APC. So this is the right triangle APC I am taking. Again this is opposite, this is adjacent. Tan theta, opposite and adjacent relation, tan theta. Opposite by adjacent implies tan 60 equal to opposite how much? AC by adjacent what? AP. Tan 60 root 3. AC equal to AB plus BC by AP. Root 3 equal to AB plus BC. AB plus BC equal to how much? AB plus BC. 2 plus H by X implies 2 plus H equal to X root 3. I want to substitute X value. So H equal to X root 3 minus 2. X equal to root 3 minus 2. 2 common root 3 minus 1 meters. So what is H? H is the height of the statue. Therefore, height of statue equal to of root 3 minus 1 meters. This is the required solution. Okay. Next, question number 4th one. From a top of a building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cell tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression to its foot is 45 degrees. If the distance of the building from the tower is 7 meters, then find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Okay. From a point from the from a top of a building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cell tower is 60 degrees and angle of depression to its foot 45 degrees if the distance of the building to the tower from the tower is 7 meters. Then find the height of the tower. So here it is given that top of a building and top of a tower. So from the building angle of elevation, which means so from top of the building the person is observing the top of the tower with the angle of elevation. With the angle of elevation means the height of the tower is more than the height of the building. So first let us consider AB. So AB is what? Height of the building. Next CD. CD is the height of the tower. So I want to draw horizontal lines through point A and B. Okay, now so if you are observing from point B top of the tower and foot of the tower. So the top of the tower, the angle of elevation is equal to 60 degrees. And if we observe the foot of the tower, the angle of depression is equal to 45 degrees. This is equal to 45 degrees. So let us consider this point. If we draw horizontal to point B, which meets at P. Okay, the distance between foots of building and tower is how much? 7 meters. If it is 7, so this also 7 meters. 7 meters. Okay, so since it forms a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So this is the right angle. This is also the right angle. Okay, now I will write the information given. Solution. Let AB, CD are heights of building and tower respectively. So AB is the height of the building, CD is the foot of the building. So draw horizontal to throw point B which meets CD at P. So if we are drawing a horizontal line to point B which meets at point P. So if it is a horizontal line, this C is vertical, so automatically angle between them is 90 degrees. So given AC equal to 7 meters. AC equal to 7 meters. Okay, so we need to find the height of the tower. So we need to find the height of the tower. So this is 7 meters. This is also 7 meters. So we don't know height of the building. So whether it is given, once I want to see. So from the top of a building, okay, here only distance only given. So this distance only given, we need to find. Now this is 7 meters. I want to take these two right angle triangles and finding this height. Okay, now first given angle CBP equal to 45 degrees and angle DBP equal to 60 degrees. These two angles are given. So this angle 45 degrees, this angle 60 degrees. Now if we are observing from right triangle PBD, from right triangle PBD, I want to find this one. So this is opposite, this is adjacent. Tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan theta equal to how much? 60. Tan 60 equal to opposite DP. Adjacent is equal to BP. So tan 60 equal to root 3 equal to DP by this is equal to what? 7. So DP equal to 7 root 3 meters. So dp equal 7 root 3 meters. Now I want to take from right triangle BPC. This right triangle, if we observe, so this is adjacent, this is opposite. So adjacent, opposite relation, again tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite to 45 PC, tan 60, tan 45 equal to tan 45 equal to, this is PC equal to what? Opposite PC, hypotenuse, not hypotenuse, adjacent BP. Tan 45 1, PC we don't know, BP 7, PC equal to 7 meters. PC equal to 7 meters. Now I want to find CD. CD equal to CP plus DP. CP equal to what? CP equal to, this is CP equal to 7 plus DP equal to 7 root 3. 7 common, root 3 plus 1 meters. So what is CD? Therefore height of the tower equal to 7 of root 3 plus 1 meters. So this is the height of the tower. So CP is the height of the building. How much we got? 7. Height of the building 7. Height of the tower 7 of root 3 plus 1. So this is the required solution. Point 2, second question. A 1.5 meter tall boy, a 1.5 meter tall boy is looking at the top of a temple, looking at the top of a temple which is 30 meter in height, which is 30 meter in height from a point at a certain distance, the angle of elevation from his eyes the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the crown, of the temple increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the temple. Find the distance. He walked towards the temple. Find the distance he walked towards the temple. Okay. So a 1.5 meter tall boy looking at the top of a temple which is 30 meters high. So let us consider this is the temple AB. This is temple AB. So he is observing the point, the person who is observing. So let us consider the height of the person is CD. The person is observing from the top. Automatically from his eye he is observing. From point D he is observing to the crown of the temple. Crown of the temple is the top of the temple always. So D. So I am taking horizontals first. These are horizontal. So let us consider this is equal to point x. Okay, so now I want to draw line of sight. This is the line of sight. The angle is first 60 degrees. As he walk towards the temple, he is walking towards the temple. So let us consider this is EF. So the height of the person is CD and EF. The heights are same, but as he walks, how much distance? We don't know the distance. Then the angle of elevation is 60 degrees to 30 degrees. So not 30 degrees to 60 degrees. So as the person walks somewhat distance, then the angle of elevation is 30 degrees to 60 degrees. Okay, how much the distance he walked to the angle of elevation 30 to 60 degrees. So we need the distance of CE, that is the distance of DF. So let us consider this is equal to x. Automatically this is also equal to x. So this is equal to y. This is also equal to y. So I am taking bx equal to h. Bx equal to h. Okay. Next, this is equal to 1.5. Actually, AB equal to how much it is given? 30 meters. So AB equal to 30. So this is 1.5. This is 30 minus 1.5, 28.5. Now we need to find out the value of x. We need to find out value of x. Okay, now coming to the solution. First, what it is given? AB is the height of temple. AB is the height of the temple. CD is the height of boy. So as the boy observing from his eye, so we must draw horizontal. We must draw horizontal line through point D to meet AB at x. So we are drawing a horizontal line through point D, so which meets AB at x. Okay, now what we know, CD equal to AX equal to 1.5 meters. This CD 1.5, automatically XA is also 1.5. Given AB equal to 30, AX equal to 1.5. So therefore BX equal to AB minus AX, which is equal to 30 minus 1.5 equal to 28.5 meters. BX equal to 28.5 meters. Okay, now so let's CE equal to DF equal to CE equal to DF equal to X. So and AE equal to XF equal to Y. So this the distance from foot of the temple and foot of the person after walking some distance. So let us consider this is equal to y. So given that angle XDB equal to 30 degrees, angle XFB equal to 60 degrees. So this information is also given. So now I will take consider, okay, from right triangle XFB, then so this is opposite, this is adjacent. Opposite by adjacent, tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan theta equal to 60, tan 60 equal to opposite BX by adjacent XF. So tan 60 equal to what? Root 3 equal to bx, bx equal to 28.5 by xf equal to y, implies y equal to 28.5 by root 3, rationalization root 3 by root 3. So y equal to 28.5 root 3 by 3. So 28.5 by 3 equal to 9.5 root 3 meters. So this is 9.5 root 3 meters. What is y? So after walking somewhat distance by that boy, the distance from second point from the boy to the temple is equal to 9.5 root 3 meters. Later, so I am taking triangle XDB from right triangle XDB. So again this is opposite, this is adjacent, tan theta. Opposite by adjacent, tan theta. Opposite by adjacent implies tan theta equal to 30. Tan 30 equal to opposite equal to bx. Opposite bx. Adjacent xd. Adjacent xd. Tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. Bx equal to 28.5 by this is x plus y. So cross multiplication x plus y equal to 28.5 root 3. Now, so what we know y value x plus 9.5 root 3 equal to 28.5 root 3. X equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3. Root 3 common, 28.5 minus 9.5 equal to 19 root 3 meters. So x equal to 19 root 3 meters. What is x? The distance traveled. The distance traveled by boy equal to, that is equal to what? So CE or DF, which is equal to 19 root 3 meters. So this is the required solution. The distance traveled by boy is equal to 19 root 3 meters.